Here's the best way to circle crop video in Premiere Pro. So this is my background video. Now I'm just adding another video above this primary video clip, and I'm selecting this video and going to effects and searching here circle and adding the circle crop effect to my video, which video clips I want to circle crop, and then selecting the video clip and going to effect controls, and under circle click on blending mode and here select stencil alpha. And now we have to make this circle bigger. So here we can see the radius box. Just increase this radius value and your video circle will increase. And if you want to make this video center, here we can see the center. Using this first value, you can center the video horizontally. As you can see, the video is centering. And to center the video vertically using this second box, and then you can easily center the video vertically. And to make the circle bigger, you can use the selection tool, double click on the circle, and you can adjust the video size. You can also change the video circle video position. And now I'll show you how to add a border around the circle crop video. Again, go to effects and this time search here paint bucket and add the paint bucket effect to your clip, and then go to effect controls. Under paint bucket, click on fill selector and here select alpha channel, and here click on this color box and select a border color and click on stroke and here select stroke, and stroke width. Using this option you can increase your border size just like this, and that's it. This is how you can make a circle crop video.